In this video, I'll show you the best overdrive settings for ASUS TUF VG259QM to get smoother gameplay, less ghosting, and the fastest response time for competitive gaming in 2026. First, let's understand what Overdrive actually does. Overdrive controls how fast pixels change color on your monitor. If it's too low, you'll see motion blur. If it's too high, you'll notice inverse ghosting or strange trails behind moving objects. So choosing the right level is very important. Now let's set it up step by step. Step 1. Open Monitor Settings. Press the joystick button behind the monitor to open the OSD menu. Step 2. Go to Image Settings. Navigate to the Image section and find the option called Overdrive. Step 3. Choose the best level. For most gamers, the best setting is Overdrive Level 60. This gives the perfect balance between speed and clarity. Here's how different levels perform. Level 20 to 40, smooth but slightly blurry motion. Level 60, best overall in the minimal ghosting and clean motion. Level 80 to 100, faster response but may cause overshoot or bright trails. If you play competitive FPS games like Valorant, CS2, or Warzone, level 60 is the sweet spot. Step 4. Enable high refresh rate. Make sure your monitor is running at 280 Hz in Windows display settings. Overdrive works best at higher refresh rates. Step 5. Turn on adaptive sync. Optional. Enable adaptive sync to reduce screen tearing while keeping motion smooth. Quick pro tip. If you notice artifacts, slightly reduce overdrive depending on your FPS and game type. And that's it. Your ASUS TUF VG259QM is now optimized for fast responsive gaming with the best overdrive settings for 2026. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the channel for more monitor optimization guides.